Student, next question is number 2 question, exercise 6.4, class 10, general maths. And the question is, diagonal of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel CD intersect each other at the point O. If AB equal to 2CD, find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and COD. Students, let's have a look how to solve this one. Student, this is the solution of question number 2, exercise 6.4, class 10, general maths. Now, look student in the diagram, triangle AOB and triangle COD. Here, triangle AOB and triangle COD. We have to find out the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and COD. So, first of all, students, we have to prove that these two triangles are similar, and after that, we'll apply here the 6.6 theorem. So, students, first of all, in triangle, this is the solution. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. Now look, after that, here triangle AOB equal to triangle COD. These two angles are vertically opposite angle. I repeat again, angle AOB and angle COD. These two are the vertical opposite angle. So I am writing here now, angle AOB equal to angle COD. This is vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angle, first one. Now second one, students, here angle OAB, which means this angle, and angle OCD, which means this. Why? Because CD parallel to AB and AC is the transversal, so these two angles are alternate interior angles. So we'll write down here now, angle OAB equal to angle OCD. Reason, AB parallel CD, it is given in the question. So we'll write down here, since AB parallel CD and AC is the transversal, then we can say that here alternate interior angle, these two are alternate interior angle. So students, for the similarity, these two reasons here already mentioned, so we can say here that therefore triangle AOB similar triangle COD, and there is two angles, so angle criteria, therefore students, these two triangles are similar, proved. Now look, area triangle AOB by area triangle COD equal to AB by CD whole square. Now look, after that, the reason should be here, 6.6 theorem. So I am just writing here now, the ratios, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. This is the 6.6 theorem. Now student, look one more thing. In the given part, which means in the question also mentioned AB equal to 2CD. So now look student, after that, here this equal to, if I write down here 2CD by CD whole square. Reason is that since AB equal to 2CD given. This part is also given in the question. Now look student, CD and CD cancel, so there is 2 by 1 whole square, which means 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 4 is to 1. So the last line will be here, that student, therefore area triangle AOB by area triangle COD equal to 4 by 1 is the answer, which means 4 is to 1. 4 by 1 means 4 is to 1. This is the answer of question number 2, class 10 general maths exercise 6.4.